What's up, guys? I'm gonna see if someone with zero experience can throw this tire on this wheel. I don't know how this is gonna go. I got some glass cleaner, rinky dink tire tools. I'm gonna throw some of this glass cleaner on here. Heard it makes it easier to throw on there. Maybe that's enough. Supposed to line up this little dot somehow. So I believe this is the way the tire needs to go. Make sure the rotation's right. It's going down this way. Yeah, this is what it should be. Seems like I'm already gonna have to use this little tool. Hopefully I don't scratch my wheel up too bad. I don't know if this is the right way to go about this right here, but definitely doing something wrong here. There we go. Got one side in. Not bad as I thought it was gonna be. Flip her over. Get somewhat even on this dot. Alright, so I got the one side on there. Wasn't bad as I thought it was gonna be. For a minute I was thinking it was gonna be impossible. So, not too bad. Just trying to line up this valve stem with this red spot right here, so I believe that's gonna be good. Take her on over, see if I can't get it going. Small bites, like it said online. There again, like I said, I got no idea what I'm doing here. Ow. That didn't feel good. Yeah, this part is not going all too good. Really not going as planned. Need to get this down in that groove. Let me spray a little bit more Windex on it. See if it makes a difference. See if I got something else I can throw in there. There's that. Oh, chipped it a little. That's to be expected. Dang. Oh, never mind. Just soap. That's the only chip. This is tiring. I think I'm making some progress. Decently. Now maybe the small tire spoon will come in handy. This side. Trying to make sure it gets down that center groove. Make it easier. That's some paint coming off there for sure. Let me try this one. There was some paint. Oh, that's it. I did it. Boom. Not too hard, just time consuming. I scratched up a little bit. Probably should have bought some of those little wheel things, but I can just throw a Sharpie on it. Call it good. If I get that worried about it. Got the rear tire on there. I don't think it took too long. Now, just need to throw some air in her, and I'm gonna call it good. So there you go. It's definitely doable. With about 40 bucks worth of tools. Probably cost you 40 bucks to get it changed and balanced. That's what it was last time I did a spoke wheel. So, appreciate you watching. I'm gonna catch my breath.